Casey, just come on out so I can leave, all right? Your sister's already home. I want to go home.
Casey, if you want to play, you can open up that door.
Nobody had a 203 or fucking whatever the fuck it is, Thunder Bee.
How's this? Casey, open up the door. I need the door opened up.
Go home, so we can go home and see your sister. Please. She has to wake up early tomorrow, dickhead. She's going to work with your dad. I'm not. Why would I shoot you with a grenade? I'm standing in the way of the door. I'm standing in the way of the door. You can hear my voice right here. I'm standing in the way of the door. Shit! Oh, fuck! Ah!
Bad timing.
All the gas leaked out by the time I got to him.
Oh, god damn it.